Hello everyone, I'm Frank and welcome to Learn How to Sudoku, where we take a very easy variant Sudoku puzzle and we break it down in detail so that you can learn how to Sudoku. Excuse me. Today's very easy puzzle is called Erica 31 by Senny K. And here are the rules. We have normal Sudoku rules apply, which means in every cell in the grid, place a single digit such that every row, column, and designated 9-cell region contains the digits 1 through 9 exactly once each. We also have German whispers, or as I like to call them, Whisper 5, which came from a setter who I thought made a lot of sense calling it a Whisper 5 line because it's very easily extendable, where adjacent digits along a green line have a difference of at least 5. So for example, say this was a 3, this digit would have to be 8 or 9, because those are the only digits which are 5 or more away from 3. And that's an example of how German whisper / whisper 5 lines work. We also have a V, where digits in cells joined by a V sum to 5, and not all V's are given. So for example, if this were 3, then this would have to be 2, because these two digits must add up to 5. And those are all the rules. If you'd like to play along, there's going to be a link in the description. And now, I'm going to get started. Let's learn how to Sudoku. Okay, so since this is all connected, I'm just going to start coloring this Whisper 5 line with two different colors. And they are to designate one set being low, which is the digits 1 through 4, and one set being high, which are the digits 6 through 9. And the thing is, on a Whisper 5 line, what digits can be next to a low digit, which are 1 through 4? 1 can be next to 6 through 9, 2 can be next to 7 through 9, 3 can be next to 8 or 9, and 4 only can be next to 9, which are all high digits. So next to a low digit, you have a high digit. And you have the same vice versa with a high digit being next to a low digit, right? 6 can only be next to 1, 7 can be next to 1 or 2, 8 can be next to 1 through 3, and 9 can be next to 1 through 4. 5 can never appear on a Whisper 5 line, because if you subtract 5 or more from 5, you get 0 or less, and if you add 5 or more to 5, you get 10 or more, none of which are normal Sudoku digits. So that's one reason why I like choosing to color these things, because you always alternate between the colors, and that will give you some more information you can use to restrict how you're going to where certain digits could be, I should say. So we'll make this yellow and this orange. These three have to be orange to be next to it, because again, you'll alternate between low and high sets, but we don't know which one's low and we don't know which one's high. Since these are orange, these must be yellow, which makes these orange. Then we have yellow here. That makes 1, 2, 3, 4 orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange. This is yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange. Okay. In row 5, each of these digits is going to be... Well, okay, let's do the first box, the right central box. We know these are two guaranteed lows. So these two, okay, so this is information that I'm talking about. We have two guaranteed lows here in this right central box. If we made yellows low, the problem is that we'd have 5 lows in that box, which is not allowed, right? You only have 4 digits in the set. You can't fit 4 digits in 5 cells. So therefore, yellow has to be red and orange has to be blue. So that gives us a lot of information. we have all low digits in this right central box, so the rest must be high or 5, which means one of these is 5. That means 5 in, and the thing is, these two digits are next to at least two unique digits on a Whisper 5 line. That means 4 cannot appear there. So where is 4 going to be in this box? It must be next to the V, which makes this a 1-4 pair. So this is 2-3 as a pair. Well, what can be next to 2 or 3? We know this digit has to be 8 or 9 because it must be next to a 3 at least, or it has to be next to a 3 on the Whisper 5 line. But these digits also are next to two unique digits on a Whisper 5 line, so it's 7, 8, or 9 here, and this has to be 1 because it can't be 2 or 3. Well, because we have that, we know this digit can't be 1 or 4 because of the 1-4 pair in the row, so this is 2 or 3. And this digit is also next to two unique digits on a Whisper 5 line, so this is also 2 or 3. Well, we have a 7, 8, 9 triplet and a 2, 3 pair in row 5, which eliminates 7, 8, 9 in the rest of the row, so this has to be 4, 5, or 6. This digit is next to 2 or 3, so it has to be 7, 8, or 9. This digit is next to 2 or 3, so that must be 7, 8, or 9, which makes this a 5, 6 pair here. Well, where is 6 going to be in row 4? It cannot be here because of the 4, 5, 6 triplet in the box. It can't be here because of the 5, 6 triplet in the box. And, well, because these are low, and this has to be next to a 2, or 3, so 6 can't be next to there. So 6 has to be here, and 5 has to be here because of the 4, 5, 6 triplet and this 5, 6 pair. So this is high and a 5, and we don't know what this is. Okay, this digit is next to 4 unique digits on a Whisper 5 line, so this must be 9. And this digit is next to 4 unique digits on a Whisper 5 line and is low, so this must be 1. That means this can't be 1, that's 4, which makes this 1. This digit could be 2, 3, or 4, so could this, and we have, this has to be a pair of blue and pink, with 5 being the pink. Where is 5 then in column 7? We have 4 highs, actually, in column 7, so these must be blue or pink also. And we should have a similar situation in both scenarios, I think. Maybe not. Column 3, yeah, we have 4 blues. So that makes this not blue, it's red, because it can't be 5. And this must be blue, so this is 4. And these must be a red-pink pair. Which means where is... So we have... This is going to be red or pink. Same scenario. Where is pink going to be in row 7? Can't be here because of these pinks. Because pink has to be here in row 7, so pink has to be one of these two. Same with row 3. Pink can't be here because one of these must be pink, and pink can't be here, so therefore pink has to be one of these two. Which means, oh yeah, where's the pink in column 5? It has to be here. So this is 5 and pink. We don't know which one this is. This is 5. This can't be 5, though. This can't be 5. This is next to 3 unique digits on a Whisper 5 line, so it's 1 or 2. This digit could be 1 through 4. We don't know. So this is 8 or 9 correspondingly. These two digits are next to 2 unique digits on a Whisper 5 line, so this is 2 or 3. This is 1, 2, or 3. Same with this. Basically, everything that applies to here works also here. It's just that it's the high digits instead of the lows. So this this is 1 and 4, but we don't have information here. Hmm. Right. These are different, right? So it's not going to be working exactly the same, I guess. These must be 7, 8, or 9, though. This is next to 2 unique digits on a Whisper 5 line, so 1, 2, 3. This is next to 2 unique digits on a Whisper 5 line, so 1, 2, 3. Same with this. This is 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. This has to be 7, 8, or 9 because it cannot be 5 or 6. No 5 or 6 here, so it's a 7, 8, or 9. This is 6, 7, 8, 9. This could be 1 through 4. This has to be 2, 3, or 4 here. This is 2, 3, or 4 here. Okay. What else do we have? This digit is next to 2 or 3 in these spots, so it has to be 7, 8, 7 or 8 because it cannot be 9. This is 1 through 4. This is 1 through 4. Same with this. We have 6, 7, or 8 there. This could be 6 through 9 here. We have 6 through 9 here and 6 through 9 here. This can't be 1 or 4, so this is 2, 3, or 5. This is 2 through 5. Okay. Oh, 4 and 6 have to appear somewhere in column 5. Where can they appear? Not these, because these are next to 2 unique digits on a Whisper 5 line, and it cannot appear in the central box because we have a 4-6 pair in that box. So therefore, they must appear in this cell as a 4 and this cell as a 6. So that makes this 4 this 6, which is 4 is next to 9 only on a Whisper 5 line. 6 is next to 1 only on a Whisper 5 line. So this cannot be 1. This cannot be 1 here. No 1 here. 1 eliminates 1 here, so this is 2. Which means this cannot be 6 or 9. This can't be 9. It's 7, 8, or 9 next to the 2. 9 eliminates 9 here, so this must be 8. Which means this can't be 4. 4 can only be next to 9 on a Whisper 5 line. So now we have remaining digits in column 5 as 3 and 7. Okay, that leaves the remaining digits we have in the central box as 2 and 8. Okay, 8 eliminates 8 here, so this must be next to 7 or 6, and it cannot be 3, because 3 cannot be next to either of them. So this must be 2, this is 3, which makes this 2. So therefore this must be 7 to be next to both 2's. 7 eliminates 7 here, so it's 8. This can't be 2 because of 2 in the box, so it's 3, which leaves this as a 1-4 pair here. 8 eliminates 8 here. 7 eliminates 7 here. So this becomes an 8-9 pair, which eliminates 8 and 9 in the rest of the box. So this can't be 9, it's 7. This 2 eliminates 2 here, so it's 3, which makes this 2. 3 eliminates 3 here, so it's 7 and 3. 2 eliminates 2 here, so that's 8 and 2. 8 eliminates 8 here, so it's 9 and 8. 8 here eliminates 8 in the row 5. This can't be 8 or 9. It's 7. And 3 cannot be next to 7, so this is 2. This is 3. No 3 here. No 2 in either of these because of 2 in the row. 7 eliminates 7 in the rest of the column. 9 eliminates 9 here. This digit is next to 2 unique digits, and this can't be 1, so this can't be 7. So it's 8 or 9 here. 9 eliminates 9 here, so this is 8, which means this cannot be 4 next to the 8 on a Whisper 5 line, so it's 2. This 9 eliminates 9 here also, so that's 8. And again, this can't be 4, so this must be 3, which means this can't be 7. It's 8, which eliminates 8 here, so that's 7. This can't be 8 here. This can't be 8 here because of 8 in the box, so this is 7. So no 7 or 8 here. 3 eliminates 3 here, so this is 5, which means this cannot be 2 or 5. It's 4. So this is a low, not pink, and this is not low. So this pink means this can't be pink here, which means this can't be high. So this is 6, and that's 5. This is 6 or 9 next to 3, but it cannot be 6 because 6 can only be next to 1 on a Whisper 5 line. So this is 9, which makes that 6, which makes this 9. This has to be 4, 5 as a pair. Okay, so we have 7, 8, 9 here. This 5 eliminates 5 here. So that's high, which means this can't be high. So this is a 6, and this is a 5. There's no 2 or 3 or 4 here. So this, because of the 2 and the 4 in the row. So this is 1, which makes this 4, which makes this 1. Remaining digits, and the rest we do through just normal Sudoku. The remaining digits in row 1, we have 1, which cannot be here, so this must be 1 there, and 4 and 7. This can't be 4 because of 4 in the column, so that's 7 and 4. Remaining digits in row 2, we have 2, 3, and 6. This can't be 6 here because 6 in the box, so this is 6. And this can't be 3 because of 3 in the column, so that's 2, that's 3. Okay. Remaining digits in... Let's do column 8. 2, 3, and 8. This can't be 3 or 8 because of 3 or 8 in the row, so that's 2. This can't be 2 or 3, so that's 8, which makes this 3. Remaining digits in column 9. We have 1, 6, 7. 1 cannot be either of these places, so this must be 1 here. This can't be 7, so that makes that 6, which makes that 7. 6 here eliminates 6 here, so it's 4 and 6. Remaining digits now. Let's do column 1. 5, 6, and 9. 9 cannot appear here, so it's 5 or 6, which makes this 9. That leaves that as 8. And we have 5 or 6 there. This can't be 6 because of 6 in the row, so this is 5, which makes that 6, which makes this 5, which makes that 6. Let's change the coloring so we have it accurate. No red, no pink, no red, no pink, which means this can't be pink here, this can't be blue. So this must be 4, and this must be 5. We have 5 and 3 remaining in row 3. This can't be 3 because of 3 in the column, so this is 5, which makes that 3. And this can't be pink, and this can't be pink. Oops. Which means this is 5 here, and the remaining digit in the row is 7. That leaves this as 9 and this as 4. And that's a solution. Yeah, fairly straightforward. The only trick was basically figuring out that this 4-6 pair limited where 4 and 6 could be in column 5, and therefore this had to be 4 and that had to be 6. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Learn How to Sudoku, and I'll see you next time on Frank Puzzles. Take care.